Let's learn how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin in 2023. The first step is to open our Sweatcoin application, then tap on this balance icon in the top right corner of our screen. We will now be able to see our current earnings and the balance. The next step is to tap on the store icon by clicking here. When we get to the store, we will be able to find various digital products available through the Sweatcoin app. Keep in mind that this app provides different offers and items which you can purchase using your Sweatcoins. What we want to do is to scroll down and search for digital products like these gift cards right here. Take a look at them and see which ones are good for buying. The good part about these gift cards is that you can buy them using your Sweatcoins and sell them, or use them to make purchases on Amazon. If you want to find good gift card offers, I advise you to check the app regularly, like a couple of times a day. By doing that, you will increase your chances of getting a good gift card. Another thing that you can do is to search for physical products which are very popular. You can buy the physical products and resell them to a friend or someone else for money, and then you can convert that money into your bank account. So Sweatcoin provides different offers every day, so it's essential that you open the app and check the offers regularly. You can buy the gift cards and resell them, use the gift cards to purchase something, or you can buy physical products and resell them. And we also have an option to walk into crypto. It looks like this, and you can access it from the home page. This allows us to earn crypto by walking, and you can later withdraw that cryptocurrency and convert it into your local currency like dollars, euros, or whatever currency you use. And that's how we can withdraw money from Sweatcoin. For now, there is no direct way of withdrawing or converting Sweatcoins to dollars or other currencies, but you have to use these methods. I hope that this explanation helped you out and that you were able to earn some cash from this. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.